I am the Director of External Operations for the Minneapolis Local Organizing Committee. We are 17 days out and we're so excited. We installed the bracket, the 3D bracket here yesterday, and just the names this morning of the team, so we're really excited. What we are here to do today is share some great tips for fans to come downtown, stay downtown, and have a great experience, because there's so many things to do that haven't really happened here in 18 years. So the lay of the land, we've got first our President and CEO of the Minneapolis Local Organizing Committee, Kate Mortensen. She will kick it off to the Director of Public Works at Minneapolis Public Works. And then it'll be Steve Kramer with Minneapolis Downtown Council. He's the President and CEO, and Downtown Improvement District. And then we will end with Howie Padilla from Metro Transit. So with that, Kate Mortensen, kick it off.
Good morning, everybody. It's definitely getting to be game time here in downtown Minneapolis. And as we are just 17 days out from the Friday of Final Four weekend, and with Selection Sunday behind us and the 3D bracket behind me, we wanted to come forward and share a little bit of information about how to make this a great experience for all our friends in Minnesota who are inviting to be with us for the Final Four. First of all, the events. The events kick off April 5th. Friday of Final Four weekend is something not to be missed. It starts Friday, folks. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. These are the event days. And on Friday, you can come in to US Bank Stadium for entirely free access. You don't need a ticket, no problem. Come and see the four teams play. Come and see that curtaining you've been reading about and the court built above the football field. Bring your family, bring your kids. And after that, you'll be able to pop over to the Fan Fest, which is at the Convention Center, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. That is a sports bonanza. Very child and family friendly. Kids 12 and under get in free. There are all kinds of basketball activities, but also a climbing wall. We have a sports lounge for adults, official merchandise, a batting cage. It's everything sports at the Fan Fest. That's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Friday also, so Friday's a big day for us. Friday also, we tip off the tailgate experience, which is right here along our downtown Nicollet from 8th to 12th Street. It starts here at the bracket. You can see we're starting to wrap ourselves up here in Final Four. That is an entirely free experience. You will be able to buy adult beverages and stroll down Nicollet. We are expecting springtime temperatures, even above average temperatures, hoping that our outdoor cafes will be open. We'll have a 10-story Ferris wheel and a live performance stage. There is something for everyone at the tip-off tailgate. Sunday, we have a free basketball parade. It's called the Dribble. For 3,000 kids, you pre-register. They get a free basketball, a t-shirt. And on Ready, Set, Go, we have a marching parade led by Goldie Gopher with the mayor of Minneapolis and perhaps the mayor of St. Paul doing their best dribbling around a parade route with all of you coming to cheer them on. And then at the end of it, the kids and their families enter into Fan Festival at no charge. This is really a weekend for all Minnesotans to come and enjoy the pure joy of college sports. These student athletes have worked hard, and we are ready to welcome them with a wonderful, warm Minnesota welcome and our 3,000 volunteers posted all over downtown. One other thing I want to remind you of, you want to pack once and play all day. We are recommending that you pick up one of these clear plastic bags. There's nothing magical about a branded clear plastic bag, although we will be giving them away at hotels and a number of locations in downtown. But you're going to want to put your items in here so that you can pass through security at US Bank Stadium on Free Friday, and so that you can enter the Fan Festival all weekend long, because the clear plastic bag is in force for security reasons. You can find out more details on the Final Four app, which goes live today. And then also you can go to ncaa.com/Final4. Music at the Armory is also free Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We've announced Katy Perry We'll be headlining Sunday at the Armory, and we will be announcing in the coming days who we've got for Friday and Saturday, as well as who we've got on our live performance stage right next to that 10-story Ferris wheel. So with that, we hope everybody is ready to come, ready to play. And I will introduce now our City Public Works Director, Robin Hutchison.
Good morning, everyone. My name's Robin Hutchison. I'm the Director of Public Works for the City of Minneapolis. I'm going to talk to you today about the warm welcome that we're going to be giving people to come downtown and exactly how to do that. We've been working tirelessly with our partners to ensure that the experience traveling to downtown and circulating through downtown is a good one. We will have some limited closures of streets and lanes to be able to provide space for the festivities that will be here. Those will be rolling closures that will begin on March 25th and will end in the second week of April, and not everything will be closed at one time. There's additional information about closures located on the Final Four website as well as the city's website so that you can know before you go. We plan to have streets opened as quickly as possible after the event, and we've really emphasized an approach that will minimize disruption for people who are moving around downtown. So now I can move on to the more exciting parts of this talk here, and that is to say that there are numerous ways for people to come downtown and to enjoy downtown. The first is transit. We have frequent transit service, the blue line and the green line. It's a great way to get here. And if you check the schedules, you'll find that it's very convenient to attend all of the events. If you're driving, there are about 60,000 parking spaces in downtown. Park once. So whether you are on transit or you are driving, park once, get off at your transit station or your bus stop, and enjoy downtown by foot. We have an extremely walkable downtown. We're very excited to showcase our Nicollet Mall once again as a premier walking environment for all. And each venue is within 1 mile of each other. So fans can walk to event easily. We are very excited to welcome people to our downtown, whether they be visitors or our own regional and local residents that are here to enjoy the festivities. We want to thank all of our partners. It's been a good team effort. We're confident that we can move people in and around downtown in a way that helps them enjoy all that the Final Four has to offer for us. So with that warm welcome to downtown, I'll pass it to my colleague, Steve Kramer.
Bounce pass. Thank you, Robin. Thank you, Kate. My name is Steve Kramer. I'm the president and CEO of the Minneapolis Downtown Council, and just building on Robin's comments, our downtown is going to be ready to be a wonderful, hospitable host to all the people that are coming for this great event here in the next few weeks. Between the local organizing committee's volunteers, the street team, they'll have university students out on the street, the Downtown Improvement District ambassadors. We'll have plenty of people out and about greeting all of our visitors, making it a wonderful experience for them to be in our great downtown, in our great city, our great region, our great state. We're going to be ready for the weather. The next 10 days, looks like the weather is going to be our friend. Mother Nature is on the team. The event itself is a little bit outside the forecast period, but whatever happens, we're going to be ready for it, and downtown is going to be a great experience. We'll be prepared for whatever comes our way, and hopefully it's going to be wonderful weather. And that's important because, as Robin said, this is an incredibly walkable footprint campus for this event, from US Bank Stadium to the Armory to the Convention Center to Nicollet between 8th and 12th and all the other activities downtown. People will be able to walk outside, inside. The skyways will be open. We're working with building owners to extend the hours of the skyways. So however people want to get around, inside, outside, walkable campus is really an important part of this event. And then I think the last point I would make is that, and Kate mentioned the Friday event, that's going to be a wonderful work, play, live opportunity for our community. Whether you work downtown, whether you live downtown, whether you're a visitor, going over to US Bank Stadium on that Free Friday to see the practices of the Final Four teams, the All-Star game, just understanding what that transformation of US Bank Stadium has been all about for this event. That's a great opportunity, and I hope we can come close to filling that stadium on that Friday just to get the Final Four weekend off to a wonderful start. And with that, I'm going to turn it over to Howie Padilla from Metro Transit to tell you how to get to US Bank Stadium on that Friday and throughout the whole event weekend. And I'm going to do a bounce pass. Oh! Need some air.
We're not going to fall flat when it comes to the Final Four. That's what I'll tell you guys. You know, thank you all for being here. It's really such a wonderful event. You look behind us and what this represents, and isn't that why, one of the reasons why we all love living here, why people love visiting here. And Metro Transit's just such a proud partner of everything and everyone who comes here. The visitors, the workers who come, who are here, and the residents who live here. You know, one thing I want to remind folks is Metro Transit is one of the best ways to get around. We've proven that time and time again. You look at the events we serve, Vikings games, Twins games, soon United games, the Super Bowl last year, the State Fair, and man, coming up, the Final Four. We're so excited about it. We're going to have regular service, so all of our daily riders who join us every day, they should feel free to do the same thing. That also includes the stop that is closest to the events, right here on Nicollet Mall, that station. US Bank Stadium, that station is going to be open, regular service. We're encouraging folks, though, to plan your trips. Be smart, plan your trips, use the Final Four website. Also, you can go to metrotransit.org/basketball for information there and to buy your tickets on the mobile app. This is going to keep you from being able to enjoy all the lines at the ticket vending machines. If you buy it on the mobile app, you can just get on, activate your ticket, and you're good to go. All-day passes are good all day long. It's going to be one of the easiest ways to get around. You're not going to battle parking. Save the lines for some of the enjoyment that you're going to experience at all of the events people have already talked about. With that, I think we're ready to take any questions that anybody might have. If anybody's got an air pump, we'll take one of those too.